Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process of downloading and installing WinDbg, a powerful debugging tool from Microsoft. Whether you're a developer, a system administrator, or just someone interested in understanding how to troubleshoot Windows applications, WinDbg is an essential tool in your toolkit. So, let's dive right in. Not long ago, WinDbg was bundled with the Windows Software Development Kit SDK. To install it, you needed to specifically select the debugging tools for Windows option during the SDK installation process. However, things have luckily changed, and now you can download WinDbg separately. Simply go to the official Microsoft website and click the download button for WinDbg. This will take you to the latest version of the tool, ensuring you have the most up-to-date features and improvements. After the download is complete, locate the installer file and double-click it to run the setup. When the installation window opens, simply click the Install button to begin the installation process. Take your time and be patient as the installation process completes. Once it's finished, WinDbg will start automatically, allowing you to dive right into debugging. If you prefer not to use the WinDbg app installer, I'll show you another method to download the latest version of WinDbg. First, open your web browser and navigate to this GitHub repository. Once you're on the repository page, look for the Releases section and click on it. In this section, find the file named WinDbg and click on it to download. After the download is complete, locate the WinDbg file and double-click it to execute. The great thing about this method is that the files will be extracted, allowing you to use them on different computers without needing to download them again. Once the extraction is complete, simply navigate to the folder where the files are located and run dbgx shell exe to start using WinDbg. And there you have it. You now have WinDbg installed and ready to go using this alternative method. That's it. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.